our example is related to science, particularly velocity. And also, I suggest if you are using an Android phone or an iOS phone, you download a scientific calculator in Play Store or in iOS. Now, if you have a scientific calculator like this, I suggest you get that one because we are going to use that also. So the second example is like this. To signal the start of a 10-kilometer race, an official fired a blank bullet vertically up into the air. The initial velocity of the bullet is 120 feet per second, and the distance covered above the ground after t seconds is represented by the equation s equals 120t minus 16t squared. So for this problem, we are not going to find the equation since it is already given in our problem. So what is asked in the problem is the time would it reach the height of 216 feet, and letter B, would the bullet reach the stationary kite 900 feet above the ground? Why or why not? So let's have our solution A. So let's S be equal for the distance of the bullet and T will be the time. So our distance for letter A is 216 feet. So we are now going to substitute this 216 into our equation. So making the new equation as 216 equals 120t minus 16t squared. Now, changing the equation into standard form, we will have positive 16t squared, because if you're going to move negative to the other side, that will become positive. Then positive move to the other side, that will become negative 120t. Then just copy positive 216 equal to 0. Then next, step 2 is we are going to solve our problem. So that's why on the first introduction of the second example, I told you it is important that you should have a calculator that you can download in Play Store or in iOS so that it will be easy for us to solve this problem. Now, if you have already downloaded your calculator, you press mode, then number 5, then number 3. After that, you input the values. So you press the number 16, then press equals, then the number negative 120, then press equals again, and put 216 and press equal, and it will give you an answer of 3 and 4.5 seconds. So that's the time the bullet would reach the height of 216 feet at 3 and 4.5 seconds. So that is our solution for letter A. So for letter B, we are going to use the discriminant formula, which is b squared minus 4ac. Now our distance will become 900. So our S here is 900 feet above the ground. So by substituting that in our formula, we will have 900 equals 120t minus 16t squared. Rewriting the formula into standard form, we will have 16t squared minus 120t plus 900 equal to 0. So your B is negative 120, your A is 16, and your C is 900. Solving that in our discriminant, inputting that in your calculator, you will have negative 43,200. Now, what does this mean? It means that since the discriminant is less than 0, the bullet would not reach the kite at 900 feet above the ground. So that is what is the meaning of a negative discriminant for example number 2.